Hi guys, I'm Ovi and this is my kitchen. I've got Shito recipe shared you today, so if you want to know how to cook this, please stick around. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making Shito. This is a shrimp condiment that is really great for your yam, fried yam, I don't know, potatoes, your rice, whatever. Shito is like blockbuster. Guys, so yes, you saw the magic trick. I pureed my onions and I have my dried beef. I have some spices, oil, my shrimp powder, and tomato concentrate, aka 18 tomatoes, okay? The beef I dried in my oven for about an hour, so. This is the shrimp I used. I just bought them in the market and I milled them myself. In case you're in Nigeria where you don't have shrimp powder to buy, you can use that. Let's over to this. We're not going to dump the oil at once, so I started off with 1 cup of oil and I kind of fried my onions until they became caramelized. Okay, so guys, you want to take care not to burn. I was frying on medium heat and then I cranked it up around like 12-13 minutes and then I reduced the heat back, and when it was caramelized I took it off to add my other things. So I'm just trying to show you guys here because it wasn't showing clearly. I need you guys to see all the colors because these are like the indicators when you're making shito. The colors. So you can see the onions turned like caramel, and here I just added my tomato concentrate and my spices. Now I chose chilli that had large seeds. If you check the beginning of this video, you're going to see a picture of, and it has the chilli basically lying on the floor. Here I'm putting another half cup of oil with my shrimp. I'm just trying to like tone the heat down. I'm just using the oil as like a temperature regulator sort of, because this is like oil based condiment, and I don't know, cooking with just oil is delicate. You can easily burn stuff, and I don't know, just you guys get what I'm saying, right? Not too much. Guys, this just doesn't take long to make. It was easy. If you follow my steps, you're gonna enjoy yourself. This is optional, but I learned this from one of my Hausa friends. She likes me too much, so I mean, come on. Fry your yam and have a nice time. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you already haven't. And if you're a regular, thank you very much for always watching my videos. See you guys in my next one. Bye.